Hey everyone, so we're back again on another podcast series on everything tax, and I'm Amandeep Singh, and I work as an assistant manager with indirect taxes and economic substance regulations. I also have Tanu with me here.
Hello everyone, I'm Tanu Sharma and I work as an assistant manager with Andersen in UAE. And today we both will take you through the VAT records amendment, which is very hot topic these days.
Yeah, it is something that everyone needs to take into urgent attention, and they do need to take care of this as soon as possible.
So recently there have been changes on the dashboard, and like the complete dashboard has been changed, and FTA has given have separately mentioned the type of registrations like corporate tax, value added tax, tax group, VAT clearing company, excise tax, and warehouse keeper. So now the companies can specifically go and have a look to each individual tax category separately, all the VAT details on it. Apart from this, they have even provided, additional prompt on the required actions. Earlier, it used to be only regarding the VAT returns or penalties, but now they can have a look through all the details regarding the portal details.
So basically expiry of your trade licenses, passports.
Yes.
Right. So I think if we talk about these expired documents and, trade licenses, now there is a, further difference in the portal itself. There are certain amendments that can be made, and there are certain edits which do not require the approval of the FTA. Now, if we speak about amendments that require the FTA's approval, now these could include, changes in your entity's details, legal statuses, or expiry or updation of your trade licenses, or branch details, branch additions, maybe changes in your business relationships or contact details.
Owners details.
Details, definitely.
Yeah. And in the edit side where FTA approval is not required, they have not included much of the details, but yes, business activities and bank details, custom details, which once edited will automatically get reflected on the portal. Apart from this, there is one, I think most of them are not aware. In case you keep a draft as saved, or if FTA has asked for additional information on the amendment application, and if the company don't provide it within 60 days, it can get cancelled automatically.
So the FTA is basically going to reject it on your behalf without you taking it off.
Right.
So that does make sense, and I think with all these amendments and edits, or everything that has come into place recently, I think it also plays hand in hand with the upcoming corporate tax registrations that are required.
Totally agree.
Right, because if I don't update these taxable person details, I would not be able to proceed with the corporate tax registration.
Yeah, all the details are getting...
Exactly. They're all grouped together, and even when you do apply for a corporate tax registration as a VAT registered person, these details auto-populate.
Exactly.
And in case if you don't update these, you will not be able to proceed the corporate tax registration. Now, I think there's another thing that we need to discuss is your analysis of your current group structure. Because with the upcoming CT regulations, you might change your legal status. You might make yourself a LLC. Now, in certain cases, you might need to revisit your tax grouping registrations.
And even they may have to take deregistration of some entities.
Deregistration or disbanding the tax group, creating a new one with the ownership structure. So these things need to be taken into consideration with the new portal updates. I think there are also additional penalties.
Yeah, so basically not additional, but those were already there in the law. Just the thing is that earlier FTA was not levying the same, but now they have started doing it.
Yeah.
So for the initial, it is AD 5,000, and for the repetitive one, it is 10,000.
Yeah.
So yes, the companies need to be very careful. They need to do all the amendments within 20 days of the amendment.
Yeah, because I think in the last 4 years we haven't really seen penalties, but until the start of this year, they have started levying these penalties. And as you said, we have 20 business days from the expiry of any information to update the same.
So yes, just to conclude at the end, if you have any concerns or you require any assistance, do reach out to us. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.